How to fix $General app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Then forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router. Then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. Over here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app $General. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your app store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, $General, and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, what you can do is you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your app store, search for the app and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix General app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.